HotPads Rental Housing Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people assume finding rental housing online is overwhelming, but HotPads offers a user-friendly platform with detailed listings for apartments, houses, and condos across the U.S. HotPads focuses on helping renters discover properties quickly, offering interactive maps, neighborhood insights, and filters for rent range, pet policies, and amenities. One standout feature is the map-based search, which lets you see the exact location of each listing alongside schools, transit options, and local services. Most people get this wrong. They assume rental platforms only list basic information. The surprising truth is HotPads includes high-quality photos, virtual tours, and verified contact details, making it easier to evaluate potential homes before scheduling a visit. Another advantage is customization. Users can save searches, set alerts for new listings, and even connect directly with property managers or landlords through the platform. HotPads also provides rental market trends and price comparisons to help you make informed decisions. However, there are considerations. Not all listings may be up to date, so it's important to verify availability. Competitive markets can lead to quick turnover, so acting fast is crucial. Some areas may also have limited listings compared to larger platforms. In conclusion, HotPads is a reliable tool for renters looking for a streamlined, informative rental search experience. Its map features, verified listings, and alert system make finding housing faster and easier. Subscribe for more honest rental platform reviews before starting your apartment search.